Today we have a Lenovo Legion 7, no display on the screen. You can see on the button we have power on and there's no display on the screen. Customer said the computer can turn on, but there's nothing visible on the screen. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna disassemble the computer and see what could be the problem. We have had similar cases like this and they end up being the RAM was bad. So we replace the RAM and the computer start working again. But let's just disassemble this and see what could be the problem. It can as well be a fail from the GPU. Now that the back cover is out, we're just going to observe and see if there's something that is not okay. I'm going to disconnect the battery first. And if you can see on the heatsink and the fan is so dirty and there's so much dust. And in this situation, due to that dust and grime build up on the fan and heatsink, excessive heat or excessive dirt act as an insulator, trapped heat, and preventing the cooling system from functioning properly, which can cause the system to overheat and prevent it from booting or displaying, especially if the CPU or GPU is overheating. So we're just gonna clean out the old thermal paste that we have on the CPU and the GPU. So we're just gonna clean with some alcohol to make sure we take out the rest of it and try to clean the fan and as well as the heatsink. I'm just gonna observe with the microscope to see if everything looks clean and everything looks okay. So we're gonna apply a thermal paste on the CPU and the GPU. So we're gonna pull back the heatsink and try to power on and see if we're gonna have a display on the screen. So we're gonna power on and see if we're gonna have a display on the screen. Yes, so we have a display. So in this case, I would say that when the CPU or the GPU becomes too hot due to clogged heatsink, the computer may shut down or refuse to post. Power on self-test to protect components from permanent damage. So I hope this video helps you, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like our videos. Ciao.